Hello and welcome back to the new segment of LRNR English Grammar class. Today we are going to learn about the parts of speech and their types and their usage. Let us learn. So as you can see here, the parts of speech is of 8 types. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. There are 8 parts of speech. What is parts of speech? So as we know that different words in a sentence function differently. Each word has a significant role to play in a sentence. So when we discuss about parts of speech, we are dividing the different types of distinctive functions of the words in a sentence. Let us learn gradually. Let us start. What is noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, things, activity, quality, concept, idea, state or condition. Let me repeat. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, things, activity, quality, concept, idea, state or condition. Example, person such as Nirmal, Sunil, Roshni, Rosie, Jennifer, Michael. And place such as Delhi, Mumbai, California, London. And the name of animals such as tiger, monkey, parrot, ant, snake, etc. Things such as chair, table, and pen. And activity such as writing, painting, swimming, etc. Number 6, quality such as cheerfulness, kindness, honesty, etc. Idea such as socialism, communism, fascism, etc. And concept such as Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, etc. And state or condition such as motherhood, fatherhood, brotherhood, etc. We have understood the definition of noun along with the varieties of examples. Now let us understand how many types is the noun divided. There are 10 types of nouns in general. They are common noun. Common noun is also known as non-specific nouns. It is not specified to a certain person or place or animal, etc. As you can see, the example here is boys or girls. And next comes to proper noun. Proper noun is a specific noun. It is specified to one particular person, thing, or any kind of thing, such as Manish, Manisha. So a proper noun can also be the name of a particular place, not only of the person, of the thing, but also the places. So next comes to abstract noun. Abstract noun is a type of noun which cannot perceive with your 5 senses. What do you mean by perception? You can perceive it with your 6th sense. An abstract noun is a noun that you can perceive with your 6th sense, not other 5 senses, such as honesty, kindness, goodness, etc. You can feel the honesty of a person, you can feel the kindness of a person, you can feel the anger of a person or happiness of a person, but we can't see it. If I want to clarify a little more with the examples, then I would say you can see a person with a smiling face, but you cannot measure the happiness the person has. You can see the person offering you something to eat or something else, but you cannot see the kindness, you cannot measure the length of the kindness in the person's heart. Such as abstract noun is a kind of noun which cannot be perceived by your 5 senses, but can only be perceived by your 6th sense. Next, it is concrete noun. This is a kind of noun which can be perceived by your 5 senses. For example, if I want you to touch a wood, a piece of wood, you can touch it and you can feel it. Means in order to have the feeling of the wood, you must touch it. You can touch and then can feel and can say that it is harder. The wood is hard. If I ask you to touch a pen, after holding the pen you can say it is hard. So next, human being. So these are coming under the concrete noun. Now, countable noun. The noun that we can count is known as countable noun. The noun that we can count is known as countable noun, and countable noun will always be followed by a letter S in the plural. So we can make a pen into pens in plural. We can make a pencil into pencils in plural. We can make an eraser into erasers in plural, but we cannot make the same thing to the uncountable noun. So uncountable noun is a kind of noun which can't be counted, such as water, oil, or rice. I can ask you to get me a glass of water. You hear? I can ask you to get me a glass of water, but I can't simply ask you water, because a glass of water signifies a glass. Okay, here I'm talking about a glass of water. It's not water. So if you can ask me, sir, how can it be a glass of water? Here it's not a water. It is a glass of water. It means I'm talking about a glass, a single glass. I need a single glass of water. This is how it is clarified. So, uncountable noun is a kind of noun which can't be counted. Okay, such as water, oil, and rice. And now we come to the compound noun. What is compound noun? When two nouns come together to form an individual noun. Okay, when two nouns come together to become an individual noun, to that we call compound noun, such as textbook. In this textbook, we have two different words joined together. One is text, the other one is book. So textbook becomes compound noun. If I tell you boyfriend, so boy is one type of noun and friend is another type of noun. Two nouns have joined together to become another noun called boyfriend. Now, let us come to collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of the collection of things, persons, or animals. We collect something and give a name to it. What is it? We collect something and we give a name to it. For example, if we collect some flowers and put together in a place, okay, so we have a certain name for that. And our collective noun helps us to find the name of it, which is called a bouquet. Which is called a bouquet. So a collection of flowers is called bouquet. So now, if we collect a group of cattle together, we call it a herd. So we don't have to say a collection of cattle is coming from the valley. We simply said the herd is coming from the valley. All right, now let us come to the collection of soldiers. Well, we know soldiers, okay? They are the fighters who fight for the defense of us. We know that a soldier doesn't go alone in the battlefield. A soldier goes with a group. And to the group in the plural, we say soldiers. Soldier becomes soldiers in plural. But we also have a significant name for the collection of soldiers. That is army. We call an army troop is going to fight in the battle. Okay? We can simply say an army is going to fight in the battle. Alright, so a collective noun is the name of the collection of something. Alright? Now let's come to the singular noun. What is singular noun? Name of an individual noun. Singular, what do we understand by singular? Singular means single, it means one. Any person, place, animal or thing, if it is not in a group but individually, then we call it singular. Then we call it singular. So this singular noun is generally the single noun, means the one noun, such as boy, girl, pen and book. So when I say a boy, I talk about a single boy. If I talk about a boy, it means I'm talking about a single boy. I'm talking about one boy. If I say about girl, a girl, I say about a single girl, I say about one girl. If I say about pen, so I say about a single pen, one pen. Similar thing happens to the book. If I say a book, it means one book. I'm talking about plural noun. We are aware of plural nouns. Plural can be made to the singular nouns by adding extra s to it. So by adding extra s to the singular noun, we change it to plural nouns. Okay, but not only the extra added s makes it plural, but also it changes the meaning of the singular noun. If I talk about boys, it means I'm not talking about a single boy. I talk about many boys. I mean to say it is more than one. If I say boys, it should be more than one. Means it can be 2 boys, can be 3, can be 10, 100, 1,000 or 10,000. As many boys, more than one is plural. The point to be remembered here is that more than one is plural. Alright? Such as, you can see boys, girls, pens, books, etc. I have just added extra s to these words in the singular noun. Okay, so this is up to now. So in the next segment of the video, we will learn other parts of speech. Thank you very much.